A man came and asked him to go to Hazrat Umar and tell him, my wife talks to me like this, and that's not the kind of behavior I should have in front of my husband. It happens at home. When he reached Hazrat Umar's door, he heard Kulthum Radi Allah Tala, the wife of Sayyidina Umar Faruq, talking to Hazrat Umar from inside in a state of displeasure. As she was talking to Hazrat Umar, the husband thought, I came to complain about my wife, and the situation in Hazrat Umar's house is similar. He said, I'm going to turn back. Hazrat Umar called him. Why did you come? He replied, I came to complain about my wife, but I came to your door. Your situation is similar, so I understood that we were both in the same situation. Now Hazrat Umar, when he taught him, said, my wife has certain rights over me. Certain rights. I gain certain benefits from her, which is why I tolerate her. First, she is a shield from hell for me. My heart is kept away from illicit activities because of her. Second, when I leave the house, she becomes my treasurer. That is, she becomes